This is a tips and tricks video on how to use our ULU Regrow. Now the first thing I want to tell you is this is all you need. It's your multi, it's your female support blend, it's your ashwagandha, it's your immune, it's your antioxidant, and then it's not one but two proprietary blends for hair. Collagen, keratin, saw palmetto, biotin. So why did I create this? Because I was doing this every morning and I said, why doesn't someone put it all in one formula? So this is all you need. Please read the ingredients to make sure there's nothing in there that you might react to. So let's get a few tips and tricks. First, I take 3 capsules in the morning with my coffee, and I always have a little something in my tummy. A little bit of yogurt, some nuts, or a biscotti, something, but have something so you avoid the tummy upset. And according to Dr. Sinclair and Company, a little bit of food in your tummy does not break your fast. Also, if you can't swallow the capsules, you can open up the capsules and put them into yogurt or your smoothie. However, if you can't swallow capsules, it is 6 capsules a day, so it may not be the formula for you. Also, we add this little bottle. It's childproof and it holds 25 capsules. Why did we do this? We want you to take some of your formula, put it in here, take this capsule, put it in your handbag, your lunch bag, leave it in your desk. If the temperature's right, you can leave it in your car, your briefcase. But that way, if you're like me, sometimes you run out of the house, oh, I forgot to take my vitamins, they're always with you. We hope this helps, and remember, be the best you can be in your heart and in your thoughts. We're ULU, and we're here for you.